Welcome to the Digital Radon Monitor Library Loan Scheme, a collaboration between Healthy Ireland at your library and the Environmental Protection Agency. If you've borrowed a digital radon monitor from your local library, this video will show you how to use it.
Radon is a radioactive gas that comes from rock and soil in the ground. It gets into homes through cracks in floors, walls, or gaps around pipes. You can't see, smell, or taste radon, but long-term exposure can increase your risk of lung cancer. That's why radon testing is so important.
The Radon Digital Monitor is a portable battery-powered device that gives you an indication of radon levels in your home. It's easy to use and will give readings for your radon levels. When you borrow the monitor, we will reset it for you and we will have the batteries already in it. You can now take the monitor and put it in a room where you spend a lot of time, like your living room. Put it on a shelf or table, away from direct sunlight, drafts or heat sources. Avoid placing it near windows, vents or radiators.
The monitor will begin measuring radon levels immediately. You'll see two readings on the screen. The short-term average is updated every 24 hours. The long-term average updates over time. The long-term average will give you an indication of your radon levels. Radon levels are measured in becquerels per metres cubed. The reference level for homes in Ireland is 200 becquerels per metres cubed.
Remember, this monitor gives an indicative reading. It's not a replacement for a full 3-month test.
The only way to accurately know the level of radon in your home is to do a 3-month test. But this monitor will give you an indication of your levels. If you're concerned about the level on the monitor, the EPA can give you further advice.
Don't forget to write down your monitor reading so you have a record of it.
You can borrow the monitor for free with your library membership card for up to 3 weeks. Just return it to your library when you're finished so someone else can use it. If all monitors are out on loan, we'll place you on a waiting list and contact you as soon as one becomes available.
Borrowing a digital monitor is a simple step towards protecting your health. Ask at your local library about borrowing one today. This service is available in selected public libraries.